Hi grade 10, sumuli ako si Sir Orlahin, ang inyong math teacher for today. Okay? So, i-discuss ko ang solving for the unknown parts in the geometric sequence. Okay? So, ready? So, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, where a sub n is n term, a sub 1 is first term, n is the number of terms, and r is the common ratio. So this time, hinahanap natin ang a sub 1 or the first term, yung n, number of terms, at yung r, yung the common ratio. Okay? So, example number 1. Solving for the first term or the a sub 1. Find the first term of a geometric sequence whose sixth term is 96 and the common ratio is 2. So, isa-isahin natin kung ano ang mga given. So, a sub 1, yan ang hinahanap natin. A sub 6 is 96. Yung the common ratio is 2. Yung n is yung 6. So, again, yung formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Yung a sub n natin ay 96. Yung a sub 1 ang hinahanap. Yung r, yung common ratio natin ay 2. Then, raised to 6 minus 1. So, unahin natin na exponent. So, we have 96 equals a sub 1 times 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. Pagkatapos, 2 raised to 5 is 32. So, we have 96 equals a sub 1 times 32. So, from here, yung 96 equals a sub 1 times 32, paano nga ba yan? So, gagamit tayo ng multiplication property of equality. So, magkakaroon tayo magkabilang side ng 1 over 32 para ma-eliminate natin yung 32. Kasi, 32 times 1 over 32 is equal to 1. And 1 over 32 times 96 is 96 over 32. So, kopyahin natin yung a sub 1. From 96 over 32, simplify natin yan. Magiging 3 equals a sub 1 or yung a sub 1 natin is equal to 3. Therefore, the first term of the sequence is 3. Example number 2. Solving for the number of terms or yung n. Hinahanap natin dito yung number of terms. How many terms or yung n are there in a geometric sequence whose first term is 1, last term is 512, and the common ratio is 2. So again, yung mga given values. Ang a sub 1 natin ay 1. Yung a sub n natin ay 512. Yung the common ratio is 2. At ang n, yan ang hinahanap natin. So gagamit ulit tayo ng formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r n raised to n minus 1. Then substitute all the given values. So we have 512 para sa a sub n. A sub 1 is 1. The common ratio ay 2 raised to n minus 1. So from 512, gagawin natin siyang 2 raised to 9. Magkaparehas lang yan. Bakit 2? Kasi para magkaroon siya ng kaparehas doon sa kabila.
Then we have 2 raised to n minus 1.
Ngayon, parehas na sila. So kung parehas na sila, pwede na natin gamitin ang exponent. So we have 9 equals n minus 1. From here, yung 9 equals n minus 1, gagamit tayo ng addition property of equality. So yung minus 1 dito sa kabila, magdadagdag tayo ng plus 1 both side. So we have 9 plus 1 equals n minus 1 plus 1. So solve natin yan. 9 plus 1 is 10. At yung n minus 1 ay mawawala na yan, kaya n na lang. Therefore, ang n natin ay 10. So let me to read this. There are 10 terms in the geometric sequence. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? So let's proceed sa example number 3. Solving for the common ratio o yung r. What is the common ratio of a geometric sequence whose first term is 1 and the fifth term is 81? So ano nga ba uli ang mga given values? A sub 1 is 1. Yung A sub n natin ay 81. Yung R ang hinahanap. At yung n is equal to 5. So again, A sub n equals A sub 1 times R raised to n minus 1. So we have 81 for A sub n. Yung 1 natin is yung first term. Yung R ang hinahanap. At ang n natin is 5 minus 1. So unahin muna natin ang exponent. So kopyahin, 81 equals 1 times R is R na lang. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. From 81 equals R raised to 4. Okay, from 81 equals R raised to 4. So, gagawin natin is, sisimplify natin yan, yung exponent. So, mag-multiply tayo both side ng 1/4 at saka sa pang 1/4. Okay?
So, from exponential form, gagawin natin siyang radical form. So, magiging 4th root of 81 equals 4th root of R raised to 4. Then, what is 4th root of 81? 4th root of 81 is equal to 3. And 4th root of R raised to 4 is equal to R. So, R na lang siya. Okay?
So, the common ratio ng sequence ay 3.